Hey, Matt Smith here, Matt Smith Real Estate Group. It's that time again for another community spotlight where we take the time to invest and share some of our great local businesses, local business owners that give so much back to our community. Here I'm with Adam with the Burn Bin.
How are you doing today?
Doing great. How are you?
Great.
Who do we have here?
This is my wife, Katie Ussery.
All right, Katie and Adam, the owners of the Burn Bin. They came out, honestly, we're shooting this at our grand opening of the event. They came out to support us and showed us some amazing things. Before we get into the interview, I'm gonna show off and brag on you. They showed up and gave us these gifts as just an example of what they can do. Now let's dive in. Let's tell us a little bit about your business. What is it exactly that you guys do?
Yes, sir. So we're a small laser engraving business. We specialize in customized items as well as home decor and a lot of seasonal type home decor. We can do anything from personalization for businesses or family name to pretty much about anything.
Yeah. Well, it's some beautiful stuff you guys have here.
Thank you so much.
What I've found with small business owners that give back to the community, there's a passion in them that makes their product so good. So what makes you guys so passionate about your business that you guys do?
So I was in the Army for 15 years. I just recently retired, and my wife, she's always loved art and crafts and just creating things. She got pretty passionate about it, so we just said, you know what, we're going to go with this, and we got a machine. And since then, she's been, researching stuff, creating and painting and just coming up with her own ideas.
If somebody wanted to find some more information about your business, your products, where do they go?
Sure. So our main site is just on Facebook, and you can find us there. Like us and follow us there on the page. Give us a shout if you want anything or like anything or have any ideas of stuff you'd like to see. Just send a message straight to the page, and we'll respond to you pretty quickly. So.
Awesome. That sounds great. Make sure you follow these people on Facebook. They're great business owners, great people, and they deliver a great product. So thank you guys so much for being here. We truly appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate it.